Okay, we're going to look at number 2 in section 1.6. We're going to calculate without a calculator this expression here. So we have to understand what logarithms are. And basically, logarithms are exponents. So recall, if I have the log base a, notice in this case my base is 2, of x, here my x is 1/32, but log base a of x, if that's y, the logarithm y is the exponent, right? That's what logarithms are, exponents. So the log base a of x, if it's y is the logarithm, and it is an exponent on what? The base a. That means a, the base, raised to y, is going to give you whatever you're taking the logarithm of, x. So this is generally called the log form of the expression, logarithmic form, and this is called the exponential form. Usually in evaluating logarithms, the exponential form is the easier form to work with. We understand this better. And so it's typically, we're going to go from here to here when we're solving log equations. Okay. In fact, this relationship is exhibiting the inverse relationship between logarithmic and exponential functions. Okay, so if I let x be the log base 2 of 1/32, what is x? Well, I'm going to write this in its exponential form. Remember, x is the logarithm, so it's the exponent on the base. What's the base here? The base is 2. So 2 to the x is going to be 1/32. So what is x? Well, 1/32 is 1 divided by 2 to the 5th power, right? 2 to the 5th power, 2 times itself 5 times is 32. And so 1 divided by 2 to the 5th, that's 2 to the negative 5 power. And it's important to be in that form because you can see now 2 to the x. Well, what is x? It has to be negative 5, right? 2 to the negative 5 power is 1/32. So remember, logarithms, they can be positive, they can be negative numbers as well. Negative numbers, remember, for exponents do not mean the number itself that you're getting after you raise to the exponent is negative, but what it means reciprocal. So again, 2 to the negative 5 does not mean a negative number. It means 1 divided by 2 to the 5th, or 1/32. Okay. So if you're having trouble with logarithms, there's plenty of review out there. I will be glad to help you with that. Please let me know.